welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left. Well, that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. We have some Middle Eastern fragrances that I wanted to talk. What would I take with me to vacation? Okay, Middle Eastern style. Let's go ahead and do it. And I have a good one. Okay, so first up, let's talk about Fakhar. Okay, from Lattafa. Have you all gotten this? Do you all know about this? If you're looking for a good rose fragrance to wear for vacation, for spring, summer, look no further. It is fruity, it's your floral, it's very pretty girl, powdery, it's all the things. Oh, it's such a crowd pleaser. Okay, so this one I have paired with a lot of different fragrances. So because it has the white musk and vanilla, I feel like this fragrance really pairs with a lot of other fragrances that you might have in your collection. But this is vacation, spring, summer. This is a great Middle Eastern fragrance to get your hands on for vacation vibes if that's what you are looking for. It is beautiful, lasting, absolutely. It's great, okay? I've talked about this down. Let me know if you want to go into depth about any of these fragrances, but I'm really just trying to give my thoughts on what I would wear for vacation, Middle Eastern style, okay? Moving on. Next up, if you are looking for a tropical fragrance, look no further. The packaging just looks very vibrant and tropical and beachy and vacation vibes. Just looks like all the things. But this is Yara from Lattafa, and this is the Taurus one, the orange bottle. They have quite a few of this packaging. They have like a pink one, they have a white one, a black one. They have so many different colors. Oh, but this is definitely tropical vacation vibe. If you're looking for a mango, coconut, passion fruit type of fragrance, okay? So we have some white floral of jasmine, some orange blossom in this. So the base, we have vanilla, cashmere, and musk. So this is a great combination to get for your trip, your vacation, your tropical vacation. Very beachy type of scent with all those fruits, a little bit of floral. Honey, this will give you a lot of love, all right? Moving on. Next up, we have Batikh. Oh, yes. So if you're looking for watermelon, look no further. If you're looking for a watermelon that doesn't lean more on the juvenile side of things, oh, but it gives you tropical. It definitely gives you like a watermelon soda, a watermelon cocktail drink. It's so good. And it's projecting. And it's just, I have to. I have so many fragrances on me right now. I don't know left from right. If you want a good watermelon for the spring, summer, for your vacation, you're wanting a little fruity, this is even a great travel size to me. Like, look at that. It's so cute, so small, but I don't even have to decant this because I'm taking this with me on vacation. I'm smelling like watermelon fruity. Okay, watermelon. But this is so good. Highly would recommend you get your coins on this beautiful, affordable option. Smell a little juicy, okay? Moving on. Next up, if you want to smell like a pineapple creme brulee, just like dessert and more, I mean, just trickle on down to Honor and Glory. This is so good. Oh my goodness, have you all gotten this? I'm sure you have, you fragrance collectors, you. This is amazing. So Would I wear this outside on my tropical vacation? I might, but I might more wear it inside. So every bee in America won't be hunting me down. Because I don't have time for that. Like, do you have time for that? I don't have time for the insects. Like, I know that we're out in their territory because we outside, but I don't have time for the bees I don't. But inside, if there was a day party or brunch-ish. I don't know if I would wear this to brunch. This kind of gives me more food for brunch. So maybe I wouldn't wear this to brunch, but definitely like a day party. Maybe errands, but I wouldn't do errands on vacation. What the heck am I talking about? Errands? Is that what I came up with? X that out. Okay. Mommy mode. I'm talking about errands on vacation. Who going on errands on vacation? Honey, just anything in a day. What you about to do? Just lay in the pool, by the pool. Just as long as there's no bees hunting you down, this will be good for a vacation. So if you want to smell like a pineapple creme brulee, hook yourself up. Because I don't know what else you want me to say. Moving on. And last but certainly not least, if you like a good ylang-ylang, some jasmine, some rose, some musk, some sandalwood, vanilla, ginger, pink pepper, and caramel, look no further than Rare Tiffany. This is beautiful. If you are not a ginger lover like myself, but you're looking for a little spice, a little yellow floral, some white florals, some vacation spice, this is your vacation spice, okay? This is Sexy Girl. I love this. I love her. She gives me night, day. This is just spice, but just sits very well for a vacation vibe. I can see if there's a breeze or a wind or afternoon wind that you're wearing this. This is so good. The packaging is beautiful, okay? But it gives me this spice, luxury, sexiness. I love it. I absolutely love this. Don't know if you all like this. Have you heard of this? But don't be afraid of the spice and the ginger. Again, I'm not your ginger girl, but this one, chef's kiss, okay? This one is really good. Highly would recommend for your vacation that you pick her up because she is, I'm gonna just be smelling like everything. But I can't help it. It's just something that does me. Yeah. Okay. Ooh. Y'all, this is so good. Why aren't we talking about her? She's so good. And this is Rare Tiffany from Afan. If you all love a little bit of sexy, well, a lot of bit of sexy, and you want to be sexy on your vacation because you are having that type of vacation, yep, add to cart. Thank me later, okay? Moving on. Well, that's all, family, for my recommendations for vacation fragrances, Middle Eastern style, okay? What are some of your Middle Eastern recommendations for vacation? Would love to know. Need to add a little bit more to the pot, okay? Hook me up. Make sure you subscribe, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.